This video is brought to you by nicheproducts.com. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, thanks. Welcome to this video about toenail fungus. What are the symptoms of toenail fungus and how do you cure it? Toenail fungus is a disfiguration and discolouring of any of the toenails. Infected toenails will take on the following characteristics. The toenails will often be thicker than usual. They will have a whitish to yellow-brown discoloration. The toenails can become brittle, crumbly or jagged. Toenail fungus can alter the shape of the nail, and make it distorted. The dark color of the nail is caused by debris building up under the nails. Infected toenails can also have a slightly bad odor. What causes toenail fungus? There are many different fungal organisms or fungi that can cause fungal nail infections. Just so we are clear, we are not talking about the type of fungus that grows in a garden, or in the woods, or a forest. We are describing a type of fungus called a dermatophyte, which is probably the most common cause. Other causes of toenail infections include yeast and molds. Toenail infections can occur in people of any age, however, it is more common in older people than younger. The reason for this is because, as we age, nails can become weaker and easier to crack. When cracks appear in nails, this can let in bacteria and fungi. We often wear closed footwear and socks, and this is the perfect breeding ground for fungi. Athlete's foot, which is a foot fungus, can also be a cause of toenail fungus, as athlete's foot can spread to the nails, and then from one nail to another. Are you interested in curing your toenail fungus today? Or do you want to live with toenail fungus? What are the benefits of using ShopFreeMart PureSilver Concentrate, Colloidal Silver? ShopFreeMart PureSilver Concentrate, Colloidal Silver, is a great remedy for toenail fungus. Silver has been used for a long time, to promote great well-being. It is well known that people often used silver goblets, and sometimes silver coins were put into drinks, to kill germs and bacteria. ShopFreeMart PureSilver Concentrate, Colloidal Silver, is able to kill harmful bacteria, by assisting in the suffocation of bacteria and fungi, that need oxygen to survive. One of ShopFreeMart PureSilver Concentrate, Colloidal Silver, greatest benefits is that bacteria and fungi cannot develop immunity to it. ShopFreeMart PureSilver Concentrate, Colloidal Silver, is also 100% natural and organic. Another name for toenail infection is onychomycosis. The symptoms include reduction of the toenail's natural shine, thickening of the toenail, a yellowing of the infected areas. The edges of the toenails become crumbly and brittle. The edges of the infected nails become jagged and rough. Rough to the touch lines appear on the toenails. Toenail fungus, onychomycosis, can become severe, with the shape of the toenail becoming distorted, and it can begin to give off a foul smell. The toenails can eventually require removal, or can become weakly connected to the toes. ShopFreeMart PureSilver Concentrate, Colloidal Silver, is the perfect cure for toenail fungus, as it is safe to ingest in small quantities, and can also be applied directly, to the infected areas. To order yours today, click the links in the description below. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.